Hi everybody, Dr. Lamm here again with BodyWorks Health and Wellness. Today I want to do a video and show you guys what it looks like to have your neck adjusted. A lot of people come into the office with neck pain, headaches, maybe they've been rear-ended in a car accident, whatever the cause is. This is one of the best things that we do for neck pain. So I'm going to show you what that's like. So first thing we do with the patient is get them in position. And this is the position we like to have people in. Slightly bent to the side and then rotated the opposite way. And then when we deliver this adjustment, sometimes it makes some noise, so we'll just demonstrate it now. That, and we'll do the other side too. Good, so it'll increase your range of motion pretty much immediately, and it can cause a lot of pain relief. So if you have neck pain or anything of that nature, come into the office for an evaluation and we'll fix everything right up. Thanks.